Hi, welcome back to the channel. So today we've got a snap-on tool to repair. Right, I've got my brother's snap-on ratchet, 3/8 ratchet, and he's having issues with the batteries. So he's given to me to see what I can do with them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn you around, get you set up so you can actually see close up of what I'm actually gonna try and do. So yeah, I'll set you up and then I'll cut back in. Right, this is one battery. I need to do this one as well, but I've already took this one apart. And what it is, the pins where the battery go in, that actually they don't connect properly. So what I'm gonna need to do, I think, is I've already done one. I've done this one, but this one actually comes out. So whereas the other three, they're all soldered in on the bottom. So what I'm going to do is undo them one by one. So I'll undo one, repair it, put it back in, undo another one, repair it, put it back in, just to save any of the batteries getting shorted. So that's the plan for today's video. So say I've already done one, but I still need to do 3 more on this one, and then I still need to do 4 on the other one. And what I'll do is I'll plug the battery in, the other one that needs doing. I'll plug that in, and I'll show you what it's doing. Right, so I've got the other battery, and it's plugged in. It doesn't work, but it might actually be dead now. But Alan said, my brother, he said, see, you've got to you need to like proper hit the bottom of it. And that's because of them pins on the battery. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unsolder them, crimp them all up, and then resolder them back on, and hopefully that works. He said there's nothing wrong with the batteries, they work fine, they last quite a long time. He said, but it's just the actual connection on the batteries itself. The connections on the actual tool are fine, but it's just the batteries that, I think it's because they're in and out all the time, aren't they? So yeah, so I'll fire up the soldering iron, and what I'll do is, it's going to be dead fiddly, so I'll try and record it if I can. If not, I'll take one apart, show you what's wrong with it, repair it, and then I'll show you them all then fully working. So yeah, that's the plan. Right, I managed to get one of the pins out, and it's probably not gonna focus, but all I'm gonna do, not snips, and all I'm gonna do, you can't actually do this while it's on the actual battery pack, so all I've done, I've re-crimped it So it's got a nice crimp on it. It looks nice and square and straight and how it's supposed to be. Right, so you probably can't see that, but it's actually all nice, tidy. So all I'm going to do now is I'll refit this one and then I'll do another one. So I'll cut back in a sec. Right, I've got these two done this side, so now I need to do this side. It's very hard to see, like, but so yeah, I'll get them two done and then I'll cut back in and we'll put the cover back on this and then we'll test this battery to see if it's all worked. Right, got that one back together now, so what I'll do is I'll give it a try. So happy days. Right, that's sound. I'm happy with that. What I'll do, I'll show you what I need to do with the other one now. Right, so this is the second battery. In the top there, you've got a little divot. What you need to do is drill that little divot out so it looks like that one. So you can just see where it's been drilled out. And all it is, it's where it's been bonded to the actual battery housing. So I get that drilled out, get this one took apart, and hopefully job's a good one. Right, so I've drilled the little divot in the top. Swipe. Drilled the divot in the top. So that's where it joins on to there. They're just bonded together. So this one's actually never been done before, where the other one has been repaired before. So sound, yeah. What I'll do is get this one cleaned up because it's got this black stuff. It's pretty much tiger seal. That's on the connections, so I'll get them taken off and we'll get this one repaired as well. Happy days. Right, got that one all done, sorted out, happy with it. So what I'll do now is I'll stick this back together and then we'll give this a try. So nice, easy, quick fix. So if you've got the 14 volt snap-on batteries and the connections are bad on them, dead easy to fix. So yeah, get this back together and then I'll cut back in again. Right, that's all back together now. So the light's not very good, but they are genuine snap-on batteries, and that one is too. So yeah, both genuine snap-on batteries. So dead easy to fix. So batteries in. Happy days. Happy days. Alan will be made up. So yeah, nice, easy, quick fix. Thought I'd do a quick video on it because I haven't seen anything on YouTube of anyone fixing these batteries. So yeah, nice, easy fix, and I'm happy. Alan will be happy because he'll have his ratchet back, because I've had this for about 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. So yeah, happy days. So if you like this little video, like, subscribe, share, drop your thoughts in comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, bye.